How to log in to Truist Bank online banking. Now, in order to log into your Truist Bank online banking, you just simply need to open any of your browser and then search for Truist Bank in there. Then this first link of truist.com will appear, and under that you will get to see the option of Truist Online Banking. Tap to Truist Online Banking, and after tapping in there, it will open the official website of dias.bank.truist.com, and you will see the option of sign in with password or sign in with passkey. You can choose either of those options which is suitable for you. I'm selecting sign in with password option. And after selecting that option, you will get to see the option of user ID, where you need to enter your user ID of your Truist Bank, and you can enter password after that. Just simply enter your user ID and password correctly and tap to sign in button. Then you will successfully be logged in to your Truist Bank online banking account. If you choose sign in with passkey, you need to tap into that and it will ask you for the passkey, and if you have any passkey, you can log in with that. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.